Alright, this is coming from the 2014 release Geometry SOL. This is number 6 of 50, and it's talking about constructing congruent angles. Now, the Geometry SOL has several different ways of asking this. Let's just kind of review how to construct a congruent angle. I'm going to construct one congruent to angle A here. So the first step is just to draw a ray, and I've got that drawn. Next, we're going to get out a compass, and it's kind of like starting the construction to an angle bisector. They both have the same first step. We want to stab this point right here and adjust this so that it's any length we want. We want 2 points, one on each ray, that are the same distance away from A. And so now I'm going to come down here and stab this point and draw that same ray. While I'm at it, because we're going to do this on this problem up above, I'll go ahead and stab B and draw my arc like that as well. So I'm actually going to copy that angle twice. The next thing I'm going to do is stab one of those 2 points, and I want to adjust my radius so that it's equal. Whoops. Adjust that radius so that it's an equal length there. Now remember, your compass will look a little bit different than the one I have in this program, but that's okay. They still have the same concept behind them. They have a stabby in and then a drawing in. So I draw a small arc right here just to verify that it goes through that intersection. And now I come down and stab this point down here. Draw my arc. There's the intersection. You can take it up here and stab this point, draw your intersection as well. There. And then the last step is to draw a ray going through that intersection. Do it down here first. There's your copied angle. And it looks like point C is going to be our correct answer here. So BC, A, is your correct answer. Now, a couple things to remember when you copy an angle. Notice that this ray right here is not parallel to the bottom of your screen, but this ray is. You don't have to have it oriented the same way to be a copy. We're just copying the angle measure. So if this is 35 degrees, angle B right here should be 35 degrees as well. Sometimes when you copy an angle, it might open up to the left instead to the right. So we could have copied this angle so it opened up this way as well. Just be aware of that, because the test could ask you to copy an angle and it's opening up in a different direction. The main thing is this angle measure here the same as this angle measure right there? If it is, then you've done the construction correctly. Now, I'll post some links later on the Geometry SOL. There's about 10 different constructions you need to know. That changes from year to year. But I've got those links posted to my website, so that way you can go through and practice each construction step by step with the computer there. Hope this helps, and keep studying hard.